Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the EeOneGuy token. Name of the token is EeOneGuy, ticker symbol is EeOneGuy, and that is spelled with a 1GUI. Also goes by EeOneGuy, that is spelled out EeOneGuy, all one word. But if you look at it on their block explorer, ticker symbol and the name of the token is just the number 1 and then guy. We're going to go over the information on this very big MEMECOIN project because they just got a huge central exchange listing starting today. So we're going to go over the info on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. You can find them on BSC scan. If you're looking for the chart and the price, you can find it on Deck Screener. They're trending actually number 6 right now in the BNB section on Deck Screener, doing very well. Huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume, and a lot of it could be thanks to this very big central exchange listing that they got today. So it says, EeOneGuy is a meme coin inspired by the legendary YouTuber who rocked the internet with his content. And so this token will be listed today, October 7th, 13 hours UTC time, on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search EeOneGuy, and then simply just buy the token. Now, there is a max total supply of 1 billion EeOneGuy tokens. Right now, they have 3,613 holders. There's been over 30,000 transactions, 18 decimal places on this token. Their webpage is EeOneGuy.fun, and it has an intro video from this YouTuber guy here who looks like he has 16.6 million subscribers, 4 million TikTok followers, and 1 million Twitter followers, according to this webpage here. So it says, welcome to the EeOneGuy coin page, a meme coin with nostalgia for the golden days of YouTube. What is EeOneGuy? It's a meme coin inspired by the legendary YouTuber who rocked the internet with his content. It's not just a cryptocurrency. It's a nostalgic ticket to 2010's YouTube era. Our goals to go to the moon and bring smiles. Why should you care about EeOneGuy? Because everyone holding EeOneGuy automatically becomes part of the meme. It's fun, nostalgic, and could even be profitable. Because everyone holding EeOneGuy automatically becomes part of the meme, it's fun and could even be profitable. Now, they show you step by step how to use PancakeSwap on their webpage here. So basically, if you did maybe, MEXC Global is not available in your country or whatever reason you want to use PancakeSwap, all you'd have to do is fund your wallet, your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your account with BNB. You could fund your account from fund your wallet, I should say, from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you fund your wallet with Binance Smart Chain, go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then using the contract address you could find on their webpage, EeOneGuy.fun, you would trade your BNB, your BSC, for the EeOneGuy token. We'll check to see if there's taxes in a second here. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees. And yeah, so this token here you can find on Dex Tools, Dex Screener if you're looking for the chart. The Telegram, EeOneGuy, has 49,872 subscribers. Blue verified checkmark. You can preview the Telegram channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this token here. So it says, our goals to go to the moon and bring smiles, with a total supply of 1 billion EeOneGuy tokens. Now the Twitter here has the MEXC global listing. I guess this guy's name here, I'm not sure, maybe it's a different language channel because the Telegram looked like it was in a different language. But his name is Ivan Rudsky. And the Twitter I'm going to put in the corner of the screen right here at EeOneGuy has a link to the YouTube channel right there. And 1.2 million Twitter followers. So, and then his most recent tweet from 25 minutes ago is him talking about the MEXC global listing, just 21-second video. It says we're officially live on MEXC. And yeah, so it says, my crypto plans for today. Hit up my friends for CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko contacts for speed up that listing. Prep a content plan for the next 3 days. Need those memes. Finally, figure out how DEXE DAO works and lock in our first central exchange listing. So that was MEXC Global. So here we are. Also, it says here that they have a market cap right now of $14.9 million. And that is also the fully diluted valuation. This token has a 24-hour trading volume of $1.1 million. This token's up 19.38% in the past 24 hours. Token price is about 1.49 cents per token. They have $398,000 in liquidity in PancakeSwap. This token pair was created on PancakeSwap 1 day, 21 hours ago. And there is a conflict here. GoPlus Security says there's external call risk and blacklisting. And Quick Intel Security says there's not. I don't see a liquidity lock, so that's another issue there I see there. And it says they only got 70 out of 100 on Token Sniffer. But I mean, if you do trust this person, whoever this guy is, you know, then whatever. But, you know, just be aware that there is some warnings in the audits. It does say 0% buy and sell tax, so you don't have to worry about slippage. But yeah, just be aware of those warnings there. Do your due diligence on this token before investing. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Make sure you check out all the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC Global one, where this token just got listed. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about the EeOneGuy token? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.